friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making cucumber red onion salad. For this easy recipe, I'm using 2 long English cucumbers, 1 red onion, and I have olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, and black pepper. So let's slice the cucumbers. I already washed them before making the video. Whether you peel them or not, it's up to you. I don't peel cucumbers. Peel is totally edible, so I'm just going to cut off the ends and slice cucumbers into thin slices. So now I've sliced the cucumber, so let's transfer it in a bowl. And now I'm going to peel and slice the onion. And now let's add the onion slices to the cucumber. And now I'm going to make a dressing. So I'm going to use 1/4 cup of olive oil. And a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And now I'm going to whisk it with a fork until combined. And now I'm going to add the dressing to the salad. And I will also add salt and pepper. And now toss it until everything is combined. And the cucumber onion salad is ready. So easy to make, healthy and delicious. Now this salad can be made ahead and it keeps well in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. So unlike the salads made with leaves that wilt, this one can be meal prepped and it still tastes good for several days in the refrigerator. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Delicious. Refreshing, crunchy cucumber with a delicious dressing. So healthy and yummy, you'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!